In this video, I'll show you how to install and replace the ink cartridges of your Canon Pixma TR3720 printer. So let's get started. In the box, if it's the first time you're doing this, you receive your ink cartridges. Simply take them out of the wrapper here. They should look like this. They all have a orange sticker in the back that you need to pull before installing. Make sure you never touch with your finger these print heads. And these contacts as well. Do not apply your fingerprint on them since they could stop working. On the printer itself, you're going to go over here and you're going to notice there is a door and there's a small handle here. Put your fingers there and pull down like that. You're going to notice these two little trays over there. First of all, before inserting the ink cartridge, we need to open them. Simply put your finger on the top and push down. Do this for both of them. It's very important to understand that the black ink, it says here, goes on the right side and the color ink cartridge on the left side. So do not mix them up, if not you'll be in trouble. So here I have the color one, I'll put it on the left and the black one over here. Now, how do you insert them? It's very easy. So you're going to take your ink cartridge like this. You see how I'm holding it? I'm simply pinching it with the contacts in the front. And I'll simply glide it. Let me put a bit of light here. I'll simply glide it in the appropriate slot like that. And then I'll take my finger and push it, okay, until I cannot push it anymore. Then I'll take my thumb and put back this blue holder up. Okay, so it stays in place. Do the same for the next one. So over here, I simply glide it, push it, and then lock it in place. When time comes to replace them, it's the same exact process, but in reverse. So you're gonna put your finger on top, unlock the ink cartridge, and with two fingers, you're going to simply slide it out. Okay, very easy. Put your new ink cartridge and lock it in place. Once you're done, don't forget to put back the lid. And yeah, this is about it. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, comment. And also check my Amazon affiliate links in the description if you want to get one of these ink or maybe multiple ink cartridges for your printer.